Hi folks, my name is Vitaly if you don't already know, and I'm someone that practices travel blogging successfully, which basically means that I have a travel blog makes me money, and that allows me the luxury to be able to travel wherever I want to and whenever I want to, and I actually run a number of different blogs, and I do make a full-time income from them, and here's some of the proof that showcases this, and here's some other income reports that I have over here. These are all products that I promote on my travel blog, and that makes me money, and that allows me to travel. And if you're watching this video, you probably found it from one of a few places. Perhaps you found it through an ad on the internet that I created, or perhaps you're actually on my travel blog right now, in which case welcome. I really appreciate you checking this out. And what I want to do in this video is basically go through it in three parts. The first one is I want to show you my actual travel blog, its stats, how it's doing. And the second thing that I want to show you is how to actually do what it is that I do, which is successful travel blogging. I'll show you how to start up the blog. I'll go through the step-by-step process so you can literally do this yourself by the time this video is over. And the third thing that I want to do is I want to provide you with extra help, guidance, a blueprint basically that'll help jumpstart your success if you're interested in creating your own travel blog. And it's an offer that's risk-free to try. There's a button underneath this video, but please watch this video fully so you understand everything in full context and you get the most out of it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I want to show you my actual travel blog. It's called thenatureseeker.com, and on this particular website I basically document places that I've visited, and it could be nature places, trails that I've been to, specific scenic spots. I typically document nature areas, and it gets about 500 plus visits a day, and it is growing. And this year so far it's gotten over 100,000 unique visitors, as you can see over here. And the thing about travel blogging is that if you love travel, you can literally create a travel blog with what I'm going to be teaching you in the next part of this video that gets an unlimited amount of visitors, which is known as traffic. And the more traffic you get, the more money you can make. And basically, the more places you visit and document on your travel blog, the more traffic you'll get and the more money you'll keep being able to make. So in other words, your travel blog stimulates your ability to continue to travel. And if you're someone that wants to maybe, instead of traveling, pay for bills and all that sort of stuff, you can do that as well. So that takes me to the second part of this video, which is how I actually created a successful travel blog. There's 4 steps involved to the process, and the first step is you want to basically choose a type of travel that you're very interested in. If it's just travel blogging, that's totally fine. Step 2 is you want to create an actual website for that travel blog. In my particular case, it's called The Nature Seeker. Step 3 is very, very important, which is you try to get visitors to come to your site. And again, the more visitors you get, the more money that you can make. Now, the way to get visitors to your particular travel blog is you want to actually blog about the different places that you've been to. So in my particular case, if you go to my blog section over here, I have different articles where I share places that I've visited, and all of these articles are getting visitors, and it keeps growing and growing. In other words, the more you blog about the different places that you've visited, the more traffic you're going to get to that blog. And every place that you visit, I highly recommend that you blog about it, show your pictures, explain where you've been, create as much content as possible on your blog, because the more of that you create, the more visitors you're going to get from places like Google and other search engines. And that's exactly how people find my particular blog. Now, the fourth step in the process is monetizing that traffic, because once people come to your site, how do you actually make money from this whole process? Now, there's a couple of different options. One of the ones that I typically use is called affiliate marketing. And what that means is I actually promote different products on this website. So in this particular article, I'm promoting this shoe. And let me just show you something real quick over here. So I reviewed these shoes. They're called the Merrell's Men's Moab Speed Hiking Shoe. And there's links in this article where if people click on this, it's going to take them to an official page. I don't own this page, but I promote this product. And this link up here is known as an affiliate link. So whenever people buy this product, I make a commission for my website. And in fact, right here, you can see a lot of the different products that I've been able to sell through my travel blog by doing things like reviewing different products and all that sort of stuff. That's one way, affiliate marketing. Then another popular way that travel bloggers make money through their site is they put ads on them. There's different networks out there like Google AdSense, Eziok, Mediavine, different types of ad networks that will, if you can sign up to them and get approved, they'll place ads on your site. And what that does is whenever people visit your website and click on those ads, you get paid by the company itself. So the more traffic you get, the more visitors you get, the more money you can make from this process. In this 4-step process, there's a lot of benefits to it. The first one is you can literally make a passive income, a part-time income, or even a full-time income from a single travel blog doing these things that I just shared with you. And the other beauty of this whole thing is that you can literally replicate this with any passion that you have in life. And what that means is if travel blogging isn't really something that's your thing, and maybe you like drones, or maybe you like mountain bikes, maybe you like gardening, there's a whole wide range of interests that we all have. You can literally replicate that interest through the 4 steps that I just shared with you and create a profitable blog with that. I've created blogs of all sorts that are profitable with the 4 steps that I just shared with you. And the beauty of the whole thing is that you can monetize your passion. So in my case, one of the things that I love is travel blogging. And if you love it too, you can literally follow the steps that I just shared with you. Now, the third and last part of this video that I want to cover is guidance and getting help to jumpstart your success in this. So the thing to understand is that you can take the 4 steps that I just shared with you, go start your travel blog, follow this stuff that I just shared with you about getting visitors and then promoting stuff. You have the tools to do that. You have the guidance, you have the strategy. But the thing about it is that if you're at point A where you're just getting started with this and you're trying to get to point B where you're already successful in monetizing your blog, if you're new to this stuff, it can be a bit intimidating. You know, you have to create a website, you have to know how to create content, get those images. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of kind of bumps along the way between A and B where you may need extra help and guidance to get to that point B. And that's normal if you're getting started with it. It takes money to start a website, for example. There's a lot of different places out there. Some of them charge a lot, some of them charge very little. There's a lot of questions that you might have along the way, which is why I highly recommend that you get training and guidance from a proven to work program that helps you with this stuff. Now, in my particular case, the way that I succeeded in creating a successful travel blog and being successful in blogging in general is from a program known as Wealthy Affiliate, where I literally learned those same 4 steps that I just shared with you. And this program, in addition to offering you training on these 4 steps, it provides you with all the tools, guidance, and help that you need along the way. So think of Wealthy Affiliate as basically a GPS to get from point A to point B and help you avoid those bumps and obstacles and keep moving forward to that point B where you're actually successful in this business. Now, I'm just going to show you a quick inside look into Wealthy Affiliate. And here are some of the many success stories of people that have followed the training in this program and have succeeded. Some of them have travel blogs. Some of them created blogs and online businesses and other passions that they have. But this is a very huge community website. In addition to training, there's over 2 million members that help each other out. And the way that it works is it's literally free to try. There's a button underneath this video, and I highly recommend you check it out while the option to try it is still available. But once you check out the Wealthy Affiliate website through the button underneath this video, and sign up. There's no credit card required. You'll go through a welcome tour by one of the creators of the program. His name is Kyle. He's an awesome dude, and he's going to help you get started with the training. And you can literally get free training in Wealthy Affiliate. There's 10 lessons available. Here's the first one that you're going to get started with. And these are the 4 steps, which I was just explaining to you. This gets into more details with this kind of stuff. And what you're going to want to do is take your time with these lessons. And at the end of each one, there's tasks to complete. You're going to complete the tasks, click on next lesson, and go through all 10 lessons. In fact, let me show you a preview of these 10 lessons right now. You're going to start here and you're going to work your way through these 10. They'll help you set up a website. They'll help you basically get your feet wet with creating your first travel blog or whatever blog that you're interested in whatever topic that you're passionate about. Now, in addition to all of that, you get help and guidance from this program for 7 days, and there is an optional upgrade, but I highly recommend checking out the free membership first so you get your feet wet and see how this business works, and then decide if you want to upgrade or not. If you do, that's cool. If not, that's also cool. But what I also want to do is throw in a limited time offer where if you join this program today, again, it's free. On top of that, I'm going to also give you my personal 7 days of free coaching inside the Wealthy Affiliate program. And the way it works is simple. All you got to do is just sign up with the program, go through the training, and as you do, you're going to create a profile in Wealthy Affiliate. I'm going to drop into that profile, say your name is John. I'll drop in and say, hey, John, it's Vitaly. Thanks a lot for joining the program, and I'm going to be there to help you. So if you have any questions, I'm going to be there to help you along the way. I'm one of the biggest success stories in the Wealthy Affiliate program. So in addition to having this awesome resource to help you go from point A to point B and create your own successful travel blog or whatever it is that you're interested in, you're also going to have my help along the way. And if you do choose to upgrade after that, you're going to have even more extended benefits from my personal help and the Wealthy Affiliate program. But with all of this said, that really summarizes everything that I wanted to share in this video about the process of travel blogging, how it works, how to start your own, and I hope I helped answer a lot of the questions that you may have about this. It is absolutely possible to create a successful, profitable travel blog that makes you a lot of money. I'm proof of that. It takes time, it takes effort. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're actually building a real online business, a legitimate one, and that does take time. But Wealthy Affiliate is really the best program that's going to be able to teach you how to do all of this stuff step by step, brick by brick. I'm proof of that. You saw the success stories. And again, it is free to check out. And for a limited time, my 7-day coaching is available as well. So I highly recommend you check this out while it's still available. Hope to see you inside the Wealthy Affiliate Program. And thanks for watching this video. Take care.